Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Glossybox. So this is Glossybox April 2023. So if you want to see what's inside in this box, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. If you're new to Glossybox, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.25, and every month you will get 5 beauty products from skincare to makeup. If you want to subscribe to Glossybox, I have my referral code, which is Jayca, Jayca, and you will get this box for only £10. As always, lovelies, all the info, all the link will be in the description box below. So let's open Glossybox April 2023. I was really surprised to receive this box really early. So yes, let's see what's inside. So it came with this lovely design. This is not their usual box. Their usual box is like a pink one, but yes, this month it's like a theme box, and this month theme is the Bloom and Grow. And let's open it. On the top we have the card. I tried to scan it. I think because it's too early, it doesn't scan yet. So for the spoiler for next month, if you're curious, I will pop in the comment when it will be available, and then you get your like a pastel green tissue paper. Ooh, it's full packed of product in here. So let's see first. The first product here, which is my favorite one, and this is from Christoph Robin, the cleansing purifying scrub. It has 40 ml. As you can see, I think this is just a travel size. I tried this one before, as I said, and this is a really good one. If you suffer from really dry scalp, I highly recommend to try this one, and it smells gorgeous. This product, it does look like this, as you can see. Smells gorgeous. It has a small granules inside, the thing that it will scrub your scalp, and yes, I really enjoy using this one. It smells gorgeous. And this one, it says here, once a week apply a tablespoon size onto wet hair massage, then emulsify, rinse, and follow with the purifying gel de detangle. So yes, after I use this one, lovelies, I feel like my hair is very soft. So yes, I love this product. The next one we have here, I have few of this already, but it's very handy to have it again. This one here from, I think this is from Brushworks. I really like the fact that it's pink. Yeah, this is from Brushworks, and this is the massaging shampoo brush. I use it all the time, every day. After I put my conditioner, I usually apply this product, and it helps really if you really have a like dry scalp or very like tend to have a dandruff. Really helps. It says here, gently exfoliate and massage your scalp. Simply move the silicone bristles around in a circular motion. Yes, I have this one before, but I think it's in green one, and the bristles is not really harsh. Love is not really hard, so it's quite soft, so it's really like delicate in your scalp. So yes, and then the next one we have, this is from Be Your Incredible Self with Nails Ink London in the shade Mayfair Lane. I like the color pink. Ready for spring and ready for this coming holiday, Easter holiday. So yeah, really lovely color. Nails Ink is a really good one because their bristles is like flat one, so it's really easy to apply. So yes, and it's full of color too. So yes, I think I have this one before too, the same shade, but I am not sure. And then we have this one here, a scrub, from Down Under for Down Under. So it has 100 grams, as you can see, And this is from Frank Body. I tried this one before, I think. I'm not sure if it's the same product, but Frank Body, it's really a nice brand. Their product is really good. So yeah, I think this is just a travel size because it has 100 grams. And here it says brightening exfoliator with native Australian ingredients. So yes, and then the last product we have here, it's a mascara. I think this is a full size. This is from Botanic Beauty Great Length Mascara, Lengthening Thickening Mascara. So here we go, the product. I hope you can see it. And let's open it. Let's see the bristles. It looks like this. Oh, it's in silicone, the bristles. So it looks like this. I hope you can see it. But yeah, this is a full size. And yes, that's all lovelies for this month box. As you can see, let's do a recap, lovelies. I really love the box. First of all, I love the color. I love that very simple one. And then inside you will get, I'm not sure if there will be another product that you will receive, but in my box I received the Botanic Grand Length Mascara, which is a full size. I received a full size from Brushworks. This is the massaging shampoo brush. And I think this is a full size from Nails Inc., which is the Be Your Incredible Self with Nails Inc. London in the shade Mayfair Lane. This is, I think, the travel size Christopher Robin, which is my favorite one, Cleansing Purifying Scrub. And the last one we have here from Frank Body, which is a travel size 100 gram beauty scrub. Here we go. So yes, overall I think this theme is more on scrubbing before summer, before coming summer. And overall I will definitely use every single product in this box. As I said, I am not sure if there will be another selection of the products. So yes, what do you think of this box, lovelies? Are you waiting for Glossybox? What product did you receive? Are you thinking to subscribe to Glossybox? If you do, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, Jayca, and you get this box for only £10. Just let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. Mwah.